Samar area is situated in Samar Island in eastern Visayas district, Philippines. It's settled in northern Samar, eastern Samar, Leyte, and Leyte Bay. Capalogan City is the commonplace capital of Samar territory. San Juanico Scaffold interfaces it to the region of Leyte. The region is wealthy in marine and horticulture assets, and it's the significant kind of revenue for local people. It has the greatest cavern framework in the nation, which makes it the surrendering capital of the Philippines. Here are 10 should do in Samar area. Visit Sohoton Characteristic Extension Public Park. A portion of the collapses Samar territory can be found in this public park, like Panhalugan Cavern. There's a 15-minute kayak recreation ride which can take you to some limestone precipices, rock arrangements, and virgin timberland. You additionally will see the characteristic scaffold in the event that you take this ride. They consider this a covered up and mystery heaven. Go on Torpedo Boat Experience Ride in Ulot Stream. The Torpedo Boat Extraordinary Ride experiences 10.5 kilometers of quick. You'll ride a boat that can take the solid rapids of that stream. The finish of the objective is Denny's Point, which has cool waters and stones where you and your companions can have an outing. A few guests bounce into the water from the rocks for an additionally energizing experience. Find Langan Go Bingab Cavern Framework. The town of Calbiga is the support of this astounding underground framework, which is the biggest karst in the Philippines. The cavern framework is made out of Langan, Go Bingab, Baitong Mahangan, and Laradpan. A similar cavern framework is one of the greatest in Asia. That is the reason buckling aficionados should go there when in Samar. Visit Calbayog City Seashores. Calbayog is situated in Samar area, and the city is radiating with marine life. Its coastline is home to many seashore resorts, so you can discover rest and unwinding and participate in water exercises like swimming. Beside having a shocking seashore, it's additionally where the Samar Archaeological Exhibition Hall is. The historical center houses numerous entombment containers, antiques, Chinese porcelains, strict pieces and log caskets that have skeletal remaining parts. Experience the boat ride to Marabut Rock Developments. You will see numerous limestone rock developments when you set out for this marine park. The limestone arrangements are out on the ocean, so they seem as though they're coasting, which makes an astounding difference with the blue sky. It's situated at San Pedro Sound, which they state has quiet waters. Furthermore, you can look at the 16th century beacon of San Pedro Sound, which sits on an islet and visited by numerous sorts of feathered creatures. Swim in Lulugayan Falls. Swim in the characteristic pools or stroll on the banks and the cascades when you visit Lulugayan Falls. There are houses in the territory where you can respect the magnificence of the spot. The uniqueness of the falls comes from its falling waters that resemble a pretty blind from far off in the sky, and a few trees as backgrounds. Visit Pinipisacan Falls. On the off chance that Lulugayan Falls includes a shade-like appearance, Pinipisacan Falls is changed in light of the fact that it highlights 2 levels in an otherworldly position. You'll know you're in heaven when you see those levels. The water has a light green tone, and there's a cavern by the falls. This is a decent spot for swimming, however more significantly, it's the best spot to take photographs for your Instagram. Watch the creation of Tikog mats. The cabin business of the town of Basey is the place where you will discover the Tikog tangles and find out about them. Guests are urged to find out about the specialty. You will be taken to the Sayob Cavern, where they let the Tikog grass become tough in light of the fact that the climate of the cavern is fitting for the grass. You will perceive how it is readied, and you will see the finished result, which is bright and solid. Attempt the nourishments of Samar. Samar territory offers numerous tasty dishes for you to attempt when you go there. A portion of their must-attempt dishes are lalang, which is a local pork dish with shrimps, sotanghen and tog. Another dish in Samar which you should attempt is its tamalos, which they state is the neighborhood rendition of tamales. The local desserts of the region incorporate salukara, which looks like a flapjack and utilizes tuba, youthful coconut wine, as a rising specialist. Another is tambis or sweet coconut shreds that has been broiled and has white sugar besting. You additionally should attempt their kesong puti, which is perhaps the blockbuster in the area. Watch celebrations. The area as a host for some celebrations and occasions like the Minaraget in Kapalogan, which is held each August and respects the benefactor holy person of the city, Saint Bartholomew. The Hadong in Calbayog is additionally an absolute necessity celebration. It's an occasion where there is a vivid motorcade and individuals wear chicken ensembles as accustomed to adore their divine beings. There's additionally Carabao Gandara celebration, which commends the ranch load animal for their valuable carabao milk, which they utilized for their kesyo kesong puti. The last one is the Kawayan Banagan, held each September 28, which centers around the territory's bamboo weaving and tangle weaving occupation. The festival likewise grandstands different road moves, marches, and shows. These are only a portion of the things you can do in Samar, and there are bounty more exercises for you and your family to leave on this Visayan area. Simply save a receptive outlook and consistently be prepared for new undertakings and recollections. Thank you for watching. If you like this kind of video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.